right, here we go. Question number 2 from our Precalculus homework number 3 in MyLab Math. Pretty much the same as what we had in the previous problem. We've got our function. They want us to set the values of c to 1, a to 2, h and k both to 0. The difference from problem number 1, it says this time they want to use the slider to increase the value of c from 1 to 4. So again, over here in my scratch work, I've got our standard generic exponential function with the values that they want me to set when I open the app. If I read on, it says the graph is vertically blank by a factor of c. When c equals 2, the points -1, 0, and 1 are on the graph. So we've got a few questions to answer here. All right, so now that we have our app open, we're going to set c to 1. A is already set to 2. H and k need to both be 0. And then we want to make a note of the ordered pairs listed. Also, it might be nice to make a note of what this function is. So if we look at what it says right here, it says f of x equals 1 times 2 to the x. 1 times anything is itself. So we're looking at f of x equals 2 to the x. The ordered pairs for -1 is going to be 0.5. For 0 is going to be 1. And for 1 is going to be 2. Now going back, it says now use the slider to increase the value of c from 1 to 4. So c is at 1. We're going to increase that to 4. And did you see what happened to the graph? Let's do that one more time. Watch what happens if you pretend like you pinch the graph right here and pull up on it. Bam, bam, bam. Did you see that? The graph got stretched up. Now this time, focus on the y-intercept as we increase c. Did you see that? It stretches the graph vertically up. So answering our question, it says the graph is vertically stretched. A compression would be if it went down. Stretch is stretching it up by a factor of c. So when c is 2, these points are going to be doubled. And we already have those written down what they were initially, 0.5, 1, and 2. So if I simply go in and double those, a half doubled is 1, 1 doubled is 2, 2 doubled is 4. And again, if you want to verify those, you can simply go back to your graph here when c is 1, and then you just increase it to 2. And we can verify here that now -1 should have a value of 1. 0 is 2, 1 is 4. And checking to see if we're right. And believe it or not, that's going to do it for that question. So if you have any questions or comments about anything covered in this problem, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.